Hey, I'm Serena Dot Ryan. I run Dollarized e-commerce agency. I'm a mum of two. In 2017, my son said, "Hey mum, don't you like spending time with us?" He stopped me in my tracks to realise I'd had it all around the wrong way. I was working so hard I couldn't see the very reason in front of me why I started my business, and that was to have quality time with my kids. It all starts with better budgets. I kind of hate the word budgets, but it is so important to wrap your head around. This is all my lived experience of figuring out creatively how to be better with what I have. I'm here to share with you all those fun things I've learnt along the way. I love designer clothes and how do I get them on my budget. This dress is $18. Seriously, it's a $300 dress. How awesome is that? I see how important it is with businesses to be sustainable with good budgeting. And I look at that and that experience and how I apply that to my personal life now as well. You want to make sure you don't miss any as I publish new ones each Tuesday? Awesome! Subscribe to the channel and I look forward to seeing you in the comments. Pop below this video your number one budgeting challenge and let's see if we can work on this together to make it easier for how we can have more money conversations and make it a positive